Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope so you will be fine. Today I am going to teach you narration. I am noticing that some students are committing some mistakes regarding narration. So I am going to teach you again this lecture by video. So listen the video carefully. Okay. There are two kinds of speech. First is reporting speech and reported speech. Right? Now look at this sentence. He said, I am ill. Look at this portion. He said. Okay. The sentence which is before inverted commas, this portion is called reporting speech. Okay. And that portion which is starting up in inverted commas, or in other words, that is written in inverted commas, that is called reported speech. Okay. In other words, this portion is according to the same sentence spoken by a person. Okay, these are the actual words of the person and we have to change it in our words. Okay, we have to change it in our words, and that speech is direct speech and we have to change it into indirect speech. Okay, now look at this picture. Present. If reporting speech is in present, then no change of tense in reporting speech. Only pronouns would be changed. Only pronoun would be changed. If reporting speech is in present perfect, then same rule is there. No change of tense in reported speech. Only pronoun would be changed. And if the reporting speech is in future, then again no change of tense in reported speech. Only pronouns would be changed. Means if the reporting speech is in present, present perfect or future, then no change of tense would be there, or only pronouns would be changed. Okay. Now look at this example. The doctor says that the patient is still in a state of coma. So you will write this. The doctor says that, you will skip these commas and you will put that the patient is. Now look at, I haven't changed any tense. Okay, now look at, is would be remain same. Okay, is would be remain same. The doctor says that the patient is still in a state of coma. Okay, मीन्स के इसके अंदर का टेंस हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे. हेल्पिंग वर्ब वुड बी रिमेन सेम. राइट, just we have to change the pronouns. Now look at, the doctor says that the patient is still. The patient is the noun, that would be remain same. Okay, look at another example. The teacher will say, now its reporting speech is in future tense. You have done your work very well. The teacher will say that. Now I have written reporting speech same. Some students commit this mistake that they try to change this portion. Okay, बेटा इस पोर्शन को आपने चेंज नहीं करना. बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि कोमा से पहले वाले पोर्शन को यानी कि रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच को चेंज करने की कोशिश करते हैं. आपने इस पोर्शन को चेंज नहीं करना. जो तब्दीली होगी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में होगी. जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि अगर रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का क्या फार्मूला है, सब्जेक्ट हैज़ ए वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, जहाँ पे आपको नजर आए दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, और फ्यूचर में विल और शैल आता है. ठीक है, तो फिर आपने टेंस की कोई चेंजिंग नहीं करनी. जैसा कि मैंने आपने देखा कि मैंने यहाँ पे कोई चेंजिंग नहीं की. इज वैसे ही रहेगा जैसे था, जस्ट प्रोनाउन. अब देखें यहाँ पे प्रोनाउन चेंज किया है. द टीचर विल से यू हैव डन योर वर्क वेरी वेल. मीन्स यू कौन हो, आप हो, तो आप यू को किस में चेंज करोगे, आई में. ठीक है, नाउ लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. द टीचर विल से दैट आई हैव डन माई वर्क वेरी वेल. नाउ ओनली यू हैव चेंज द प्रोनाउन यू इनटू आई. राइट बेटा. Now look at another example. She has said. Now this sentence is present perfect tense. It means that reporting speech is in present perfect tense. Okay. She is ready to accompany us to Karachi. Okay. She has said that she is ready to accompany them to Karachi. It's mean that शी हैज़ सेड, उसने कहा दैट शी इज़. शी, अब शी को शी में चेंज करेंगे. ओके, दैट शी। अब इधर भी एक शी, एक शी जो है रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में है, दूसरा शी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में, तो ये सेम रहेंगे। शी हैज़ सेड दैट शी इज़, अब ये इज़ भी हमने वैसे रहने दिया, शी इज़, ठीक है, ये वाला इज़। शी इज़ रियली रेडी टू अकम्पनी दैम। अब उन्होंने यहाँ पे अस लिखा है, हम अस को दैम में चेंज करेंगे, ठीक है, क्योंकि अस हो गया थर्ड पर्सन, तो थर्ड पर्सन को हम फिर दैम में चेंज करेंगे, टू दैम, टू कराची। ओके, दैट शी हैज़ सेड दैट शी इज़ रेडी टू अकम्पनी दैम टू कराची।